I just ordered this on Amazon. These are the Eneloops AAAs. Let's see here. They said that they got the 800 milliamp hours. So let's test. I did check the voltage of them. They are actually all charged like they claim they are, ready to be used, rechargeable batteries. Sometimes you get them and you gotta throw them on the charger, which kind of disappoints you because you kind of want to use them. So these are charged. They're all 1.3 volts, but let's see if they're actually 800 milliamps like they claim to be. Alright guys, so here are the results. So 749, 60, 67, and so on. So nothing is even at 800. So that's pretty disappointing. Usually they would at least give you 800 and, you know, 10 or 20. Just they usually give you the minimum spec, but in this case they actually overshot it by roughly 50 milliamps, which it's not a big deal, but who knows? That means the other manufacturers are probably going even lower. So, but here are the results, and hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching.